This thing looks like a toy. Lights up though. This is the MAONO PS22 Lite USB audio interface. The box came with a user manual and a 6-feet USB-C cable and a USB Type-A adapter. This USB cable will be used to power up the device, and the power coming from the USB port of your computer or laptop is enough to supply power to this audio interface. And the same USB port is also used as a connection to your computer. There's no more need for a separate power source. And with its light and compact design, you can bring this device anywhere to do your recording. It also comes with 2 input channels. Both can be used as a line input and one for microphone. One of the input channels supports both quarter jack or TRS connection and an XLR connection. The XLR channel has a maximum preamp of 56 dB, so it can handle any type of dynamic microphone. And with a built-in 48 volts phantom power, it can also support any type of condenser microphone. This audio interface also has a left and right output channels that you can connect to your studio monitors or any audio devices that has aux inputs like an amplifier or a mixing board. For my setup, I connected the outputs to the aux in of my soundbar. And the last port I want to show you is the 3/4 headphone jack right on the right side of the audio interface. And by pressing the direct monitor button, this bypasses the audio processing that goes through the computer, and you will be able to hear yourself directly from the audio interface through the headphones. This is a good way of testing if your microphone or instruments that are plugged in to the input channels are working. Well guys, if you're going to ask me about the build quality, I'm going to tell you right now, everything on this USB interface is made of plastic. And it's very light, but it's not cheap. Just by holding on to it, I feel that it's very light, but it doesn't feel cheap. And there's quality on it. The knobs, when I turn it, every knobs that it's in here, I can feel the quality. And look at this, guys. Just look at that. They look very cool on a dim lighted office space. And the performance of this USB interface, I'm very satisfied. Also included in this audio interface is the MAONO ProStudio Software. I will not be discussing this software in this review, but I will put the link in the description. But this software is not required because this audio interface is plug and play, and it's compatible with Windows, Mac, and even on your iPad. It uses ASIO drivers, and it's compatible with most digital audio workstation recording software. I've used this audio interface in many different voiceover applications. I use this over meetings, on my IP phone, and voiceover recording for content creation, and I'm very impressed with its performance. So whether you're a musician, podcaster, a content creator on the go, this is a device for you. And with its plug-and-play design, this is also great for beginners. So guys, this is the MAONO PS22 Lite USB audio interface. Get yours today. And thanks for watching.